Well, Chandy, I'm on South Scenic Drive. That's one of 3 roads that was evacuated here today. And behind me is where the creek is actually just rushing over and then onto the road. There is no longer a road to drive on here. The creek's still moving very, very quickly. And actually, this is on the down slope of the water here today. But a pretty shocking flooding scene all throughout this area. The township and Board of Supervisors declaring a state of emergency here today. 25 residents in the area of here, South Scenic Drive, North Scenic Drive, and Pine Tree Lane were given that evacuation notice. The South Buffalo Fire Chief says 15 of those were forced evacuations. He also says there were 3 water rescue teams on site. That was Armstrong County, Lower Kiski Water Rescue, and West Kittanning, but they were not needed.
Some people that chose to shelter in place, others left on their own. We evacuated a couple people. A couple children needed assistance coming out, which we had other teams here to help with.
Well, Wood says that no homes were damaged here and that anyone who is evacuated is welcome at the fire hall, but they say everyone who did evacuate was able to find friends or family to stay with this evening before they can return to their homes. For now, reporting live in South Buffalo Township, Armstrong County, Felicity Taylor, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
And this area of Armstrong County has seen flooding before. It was just last April. The same area around Buffalo Creek flooded. Many people were evacuated by river rescue crews. The fire department opened up their banquet hall as a warming center for those displaced.